So today I'm going to show you how to set up the SEO reports for Google Analytics for the UK optimized landing pages and AU optimized landing pages. So basically, while doing the report, I was supposed to combine the blog pages, which are these, and the normal landing pages, which are optimized, and they are these ones. However, there's an issue with combining both of them because with this one, there are some blog pages that don't have organic traffic. They are coming from referring traffic, and I wanna probably confirm with you if we're going to look at organic traffic only when it comes to blog pages, or are we going to look at all the traffic that goes to a particular blog page, which includes referral and the rest of the sources. But anyway, I separated them. So I just created for the normal as optimized landing pages, and if you will go to if you will click these links, they will I'm not sure how it's going to show on your end. However, um, just a little bit of information on my end. If you will click the organic traffic report, it refers to all the traffic sources that comes from organic. So when you normally go to the landing page report, you will see. So for example, the normal landing page report, you will see all the landing pages on the left side of the report, and then it's coming from it's sorted by page views. However, it's coming from all the sources of of the traffic, and then and you only wanted to see the organic traffic that goes to that particular page. So we created this report, the organic visits report only. So this one is already being filtered. um However, here, if you look at the left side of the leftmost column, it shows us all the pages of the site. So it's sorted by all page views. So, and then on your end, you just wanted to look at AU, some particular landing pages or URLs for AU and the UK. So what we did is, since we cannot filter them here on the filtering system for this report, here we only can filter by organic traffic. We cannot filter them by page because like it's an and, so that means we only if we put different URLs, then it won't show anything because then it should like it should match all the filtering something. So it's on the technical side. Well, anyway, so we filter them, the landing pages, by creating a segment on this side. So this side of the report. So if you look into it, so we're in the custom report. That means this is an organic visit report, and this one refers to all users. That means all the pages of the website. And then what I did, we created a segment where we will only it will only show us the specific landing pages that we want to look at. So for we created AU and UK optimized landing pages, and blog pages are not included here. So for example, if you chose UK and click apply, it will show you only to the pages that are listed here, that are not blog pages or article pages. So here it is. So for the last month, February, we have 1,268 page views that are coming from organic traffic. So this is referred to organic traffic only because it is already filtered. And then these are the different pages that we're looking at for the UK. And then it says here 17 pages. So you might want to show more rows, where you can choose 50 or 25 if it has more than 25 um, results. Here, so it gives us the idea of how many traffic or page views have been to that particular page for the month of February. And if you will look at, there are some pages that are coming in, which are not in the list. However, because it the what's this? How do I say that? Google Analytics filtering has, it's not really that perfect, so it doesn't just. Sometimes it shows up some inner pages of the website that which are not actually part of the segment here that we set up. But anyway, at least this one will give us an idea. I mean, like like we only look at the pages that we are optimizing. So so here, and then and if you want to look at Australia, so you untick the UK one, and tick the AU. And sometimes if you will look at it, the all users will show up. For example, you just see, if you will put all users, it shows up the all users as well. But here you can just remove these, or at the other way around, the AU or the all users. But you just want to look at the AU optimized landing pages, because all users refer to all the pages of the website. So here we can see the AU optimized landing pages. So here we go, and then since we already showed uh, 50 rows here, so we have 24 pages that shows up, which actually some of them are not part of the list, which on my end I can just exclude it. But sometimes I don't know what's the problem with Google Analytics, where it shows the rest of the landing pages, even though we only have set that it should only show the traffic or the list here of the pages that we have set, not the others that are not included. However, at least here we can see that majority of the landing pages that we are looking at are already in the list. And then how you're going to create or export this is to export this or create a report, maybe based from PDF, and then share it to Linda or any manager that were asking for more information about the report. Um, so so here it goes. And then what else? So these are only the optimized landing pages. So we're going to go look at the blog pages later on. I will going to uh, share to you about the different sorry, the details, or how to look at the report for the blog pages. Because if you will look at here, no, it should be. If you look at this report, yeah, there's bounce right now, so I think should be all right. Yeah. So I'm going to create a separate video for this one, so that it will not be that long. So we have the bounce rate ready here. Okay. So I'm going to